the English language, that we can't express ourselves as fully as we can. Because I think about expressing shock or surprise in English. You're kind of limited to, wow, gosh, oh my word. It just doesn't work. You have to throw in something else. You've got to borrow. You've got to use a bit of Xhosa or Zulu or something. What do you say if you're shocked or surprised at Xhosa or Zulu? What do you say? Eish. Chini. My papa. And my personal favorite, you. Not you, him. And you don't say it once either. It's like 50 times in a row at least. Hey. You. How? I thought maybe is there something to do with the English themselves because they're not renowned for being very talkative. I went over to England to do some research. I went on the tube in London. You know, people don't talk on the tube at all there. How many of you have been on the tube? If you, for a lot of white South Africans, it's the first time we've been on a train, isn't it? But the other interesting thing I noticed, I went to this airport in the UK, and a little airport, and it was very weird. There was this black lady behind the juice counter. I had this funny feeling about her. I just went straight up to the counter and I said to her, "Molas kunjan, orange juice, please, I'm very thirsty." She looked at me for about 30 seconds and then she said, you. How did you know it was me? She was from